Hello viewers, in this screencast I will show you how to implement progressive web apps in your Laravel application within 5 minutes. First step, go to your project terminal and run this command. This command downloaded all the required codes to install progressive web apps and publishes necessary assets. Just run this command. It publishes all database migrations, routes, views, languages. To see config, cppy config. Here you can change your configuration. To see views, go to resources, vendor, PWA. Here is the all the views. To see routes, go to routes, web, PWA routes. If you run this project in your multi-tenancy site where tenant route are available, you can see this code also available for your tenant. Here is the database migration. This is for multi-tenancy site. Enable your multi-tenancy site to your to PWA. It also migrated a database table. Go there, refresh it. You can see PWA settings table. Here we will list all the PWA applications. Next step, go to your root directory, PWA route. This route is auth protected, so we need to log in. After login, click make PWA. It will generate a dummy data for your application. Reload it. You can see your domain name and information. Now change your domain app name, domain short name, URL should be this part, and also you can use this part. You can change background color, theme color, display type, also change icons and splashes. Let's update it. If you reload it, you can say updated. Last step, we need to register our PWA by PWA directive. To do this, go to your project, resources, views, and go to head section. In my case, header. You can maybe sometimes you need to add this multiple times if your head is used multiple times. In my case, we need to also add there because we have two head section in your project. That's done everything. Now go to your project and reload it. It will automatically generate a button, install your app name, or you can go there, just click here, install. It will automatically generate a progressive web apps that look like your native apps. Now you can use it like your native apps. There, go everywhere. You can go there. Everything you can use look like your native apps. That's done. I hope you are all enjoy it. Good luck.